Let's check why this shocking 800-volt vehicle has the potential to change the future of Mercedes. What we have here is not just another car, it's a masterpiece of design and technology. Get ready to be cooked up hotter than a mix of Carolina Reaper and jalapeno on a summer's day. The Mercedes-Benz design team has truly outdone themselves with this one. The CLA Concept takes iconic elements and reimagines them for the electric and digital age. Take a look at that iconic three-pointed star. It's not just a symbol, it's an emotional lighting motif. From front end to the flanks, it's like the car is adorned with stars. Even the expansive glass roof has an illuminated star pattern that adds sophistication to the exterior. Did I mention the shark nose? That's right. The dynamic front-end design gives the CLA Concept a strong forward lean, like a predator ready to attack. It's a nod to the sporty, iconic shark nose of the past, reinterpreted for the electric era. Let's talk numbers, shall we? With a range of more than 750 kilometers, 466 miles, and an energy consumption as low as 1 cheeseburger per day, this chariot will have you cruising without a care in the world. We're talking about an electric Wilson Kipketer of Mercedes-Benz, a real 1-liter car of the electric age. It is all thanks to Vision EQXX's technology transfer. In just 15 minutes, you can charge this beauty up to 400 kilometers, 248 miles. That is not as fast that you can say, I need a coffee break, but an impressive number, at least for these days. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, and when you think you have an idea how a future automobile will look like, we depart from the Mercedes' lavish take on luxury and board the turbocharged roller coaster of the Porsche Mission X, where speed is served on an eco-friendly platter with a side of Porsche perfection, making your heart race faster than ever before. And yes, it's electric, but don't let that fool you. It's shocking in all the right ways.